Namaskaram, welcome back to Chakkani Vantilu. Today's recipe is Vankaya Pesara Pappu. Let's get started. Pesara Pappu, 1 cup. Vankaya, half kg. Green chillies, 6. Turmeric, half teaspoon. Tamarind, lemon-sized. Oil, as required. Mustard seeds, jeera, garlic, Bengal gram, black gram, dry red chillies, curry leaves. Cut brinjal into pieces. Soak tamarind. Squeeze well. Extract tamarind juice. Add washed dal. Pour water. Let it boil. Add brinjal pieces, add tamarind juice, add turmeric and salt, add curry leaves, let it boil for 10 minutes. Add mustard seeds, add jeera, add Bengal gram, add black gram, add garlic, add red chillies, add curry leaves, add tempering. Mix well. The dal is ready. Add coriander leaves. Transfer to a bowl. Ready to serve. You can serve this with rice or chapathi. You should try this recipe at home. We will be back again with a yummy recipe.